All right, so let's go ahead and solve the first one. The first one we're going to do 3, 4, and then the minus 2x is going to, or the minus 2 is going to distribute, so it's going to become minus 2x plus 10 equals 5x minus 17. (14 minus 2x equals 5x minus 17. I combine like terms. You could also distribute, or you can combine like terms first. I always combine like terms whenever possible. It's just how you choose to do it, I guess. 3 times 14 is 42. Minus 6x equals 5x minus 17. Adding 6x, adding 6x. 42 is equal to 11x minus 17. If we add 17 to both sides, add 17 to both sides, you'll get 59 equals 11x. You'll divide by 11, and you'll get x is equal to 59 over 11. Now, you may ask yourself, does that reduce? The answer is no, it does not. Some people will say, well, 11 goes into 55. What is that? 5.36364, approximately. If you take 11 and divide it into 59, I don't know for sure what you get. I'm approximating it to be 5.36364. I was trying to act humble. How did I do? Quasi? Okay. I mean, if I was like this, it's right, don't worry about it. Then you'd be like, jackass. But anyway, on a test, either answer generally is okay. You just, whatever one you want to put. Okay. But notice, if this were, for example, like 22 over 11, and you left that as the answer, that's wrong. The answer there was 2. And people are like, do I get partial credit? No. No more than I'm giving that drunk driver partial credit for trying to miss me. He didn't. Okay? Or I tried to miss him, and he didn't miss me. Okay? Screw you. Sit in jail, a-hole. You knew I got hit, right?
What?
One of the students thought I was kidding about that. I'm like, no, I'm not kidding. He's like, you really got in an accident. I'm like, I swear to God, a guy ran into me. And he's like, no way. And I'm like, I swear, going 60 miles an hour, it sucked pretty bad. What did you do here? Some of you got that new calculator, right? I think I saw some people with new calculators. You went out last Tuesday and were like, oh, hell yeah, I'm getting me one of those suckers. If you use a calculator, you handle the fractions. That's pretty cool. If you want to look like a nerd, you probably do something like this. Common denominator between 3, 5, 9, 45. I was going to get there eventually. You just have to, part of the car accident. Okay. 3 goes into 45 15 times. 15 times 4 is 60x. 5 goes into 45 9 times. 3 goes into 45 15 times. Times 2 is 30. 9 goes into 45 25. Now? Yes? Maybe? Okay. This is 30x. Subtract 30x, subtract 30x. 30x minus 9 equals 25. And you'll get 30x equals 34, it looks like. Is that right? Divide by 30, divide by 30. Looks like you're going to want to make this 17 over 15, I guess. Okay. If you wanted to, I would say that's probably somewhere around 1.11. Maybe so. What the hell will I know? He repeats. All right. Jimmy's going nerd. Certified nerd. All right. 20x minus 28 minus 3x equals 5. 2x minus 4 plus 7x minus 1. Okay. Got to combine like terms? 17x minus 28. Who needs PAL when you have smiley faces? Equals, distribute, 10x minus 20. You know what? I'm feeling a little bit skippy today. It's the last day of the week, so we're going to go ahead and do two things at once here. 7x minus 7. So if you're going, hold on now, it's only day 3. I'm getting all fast. Just distribute both times. You're okay. Now combine like terms. I won't use smiley faces. I'll just underline it this time. So you got 17x minus 28 equals 10x and 7x is going to be 17x minus 27. Now we're going to subtract 17x. We're going to subtract 17x. Clearly this is just x. Minus 28 equals negative 27. Anybody do that? Anybody get to this point right here and go like this? Oh, crap. This isn't supposed to happen. I see some of these students who get to this point and they're like, what? It's okay. This cancels. The x is gone. And people are like, no, so not cool. The thing you asked me to find isn't even there. What do you write? Is negative 28 equal to negative 27? No. So you say, no solution. I can remember in college algebra, moral of the story sometimes, if you don't know what the answer is and something weird's happening, you're looking at it and you're thinking, this is just weird, this is just not going the way it's supposed to, no solution sometimes is a good answer. It's way better than going like this, which is what I see a lot of people do. And they just leave it there. I had one girl last semester go like this. I'm like, what's that? Mickey Mouse. I think the answer is Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse never works in this course, ever. Okay? Jesus sometimes, but never Mickey Mouse. All right. So we got 12x minus 18 minus 5 equals, that's supposed to be a 4. 3x minus 5 minus 3. Again, we're going to combine like terms. Here, I'll hook you up. We're going to combine like terms. 12x minus 23 equals, let's go ahead and distribute, 12x minus 20 minus 3. Old school flower power. 12x minus 23 equals 12x minus 23. Now here something very similar just happens, right? Now the 12x cancels and some of you are going like this. Oh, hell yeah, you ain't tricking me twice. No solution. This one is actually all real numbers. So it's all real numbers. The book refers to it as an identity. You could also write down -infinity to infinity. Okay? Either of those answers, not all of them, but any of those will get you the job done.